Introduction. Ravi is hooked to numbers. He finds them fascinating. They are everywhere, from books to grocery stores to cricket stores to birthdays to time to marks to temperatures, everywhere. Ravi simply loves collecting amazing facts about numbers. Let us share some interesting number facts with Ravi. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to state number facts, identify place values of digits as ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, read, write and count 4-digit numbers, compare 4-digit numbers, arrange numbers in the ascending and descending orders, identify numbers that fall before, between and after the given numbers, explain the difference between place value and face value, and identify even and odd numbers. Number facts. Each number has an interesting fact associated with it. Let us know more about them. Number 1 is known as the ace number. A pair is a group of two objects. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. 99 is the largest 2-digit number. 100 is also known as a century. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 999 is the largest 3-digit number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. To count the number of objects, we use ones. When the number of objects is more, we make group of tens and count them as 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens. What if there are lots of tens? We make 10 tens group and call it hundreds. When we have 10 hundreds, we call it 1,000. Observe that in ones we have only 1 digit, in tens we have 2 digits, in hundreds we have 3 digits, and in thousands we have 4 digits. Writing 4-digit numbers. What is the number that we get when we add 1 to 999? 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Write 0 and carry over 1. Again, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Write 0 and carry over 1. Again, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Write 10. 999 plus 1 is equal to 1,000. 1,000 is the smallest 4-digit number. A 4-digit number has 4 places. Starting from the extreme right, there are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Self-assessment. Drag and drop the correct place value of each digit in the given number. 4-digit numbers on the number line. Number line is a line that is to represent numbers. A number line has equal spaced divisions. The smaller numbers are placed nearer 0 than larger numbers. Compare the positions of 4,000 and 2,500 on the number line. Which number will be nearer 0? Which of the two is bigger? 2,500 will be nearer 0. 4,000 is bigger. Comparing numbers. Let us now learn to compare numbers. To compare two 4-digit numbers, we first compare the digits at the thousands place. The number that has a greater digit at the thousands place is the larger of the two. For example, let us compare 4,567 and 2,345. Since 4 is greater than 2, we can say that 4,567 is larger. However, if the digits at the thousands place in the two numbers are the same, we compare the digits at the hundreds place. The number that has a greater digit at the hundreds place is the larger of the two. For example, let us compare 7,652 and 7,453. Since the digit 7 at the thousands place is the same in both the numbers, we compare 6 and 4. Since 6 is greater than 4, we can say that 7652 is larger. Ascending and descending order. Once we know how to compare numbers, we can arrange them in the ascending, that is increasing, or descending, that is decreasing order. In the ascending order, the numbers are arranged starting from the smallest number first, then the next greater number, then the next, and so on. In the descending order, the numbers are arranged in the reverse, that is starting from the largest. Symbolically, the ascending order of numbers may be denoted by the less than symbol. For example, 390 is lesser than 1823, is lesser than 3005, is lesser than 7540. Similarly, the descending order of numbers may be denoted by the more than symbol. For example, 6583 is greater than 5678, is greater than 2134, which is greater than 1200, is greater than 456. Before, between, and after. Numbers that are less than a given number appear before it. Numbers that are greater than a given number appear after it. What can we say about a number that falls between two numbers? The numbers to the right are greater than the given number and the numbers to the left are smaller than it. 4-digit number fun. Look at number 6174. It is a magic number. Form the smallest and largest 4-digit numbers using the digits 6, 1, 7 and 4. The smallest number formed is 1467. The largest possible number is 7641. Now subtract 1467 from 7641. The difference is 6174. Place value and face value. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands are all place values of a digit. Place value of a digit helps us to determine its value. For example, the digit 2 is at thousands place in number 2350, whereas it is at tens place in number 5023. Hence, the value of 2 in 2350 is 2 thousands, and in 5023 it is 2 tens, that is 20. Face value of a digit is the digit itself. The face value of a digit 5 in number 555 is 5 at each place, but the place value of 5 is different at each place. Moving from left to right, the values of the three 5s in 555 are 5, 50 and 500. Odd and even numbers. Any number that has a 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place is called an even number. For example, 34, 56, 70, 102 are all even numbers. Any number that has 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place is called an odd number. For example, 23, 41, 57, 89 are all odd numbers. Even numbers can be divided into two equal groups. Odd numbers cannot be divided into two equal groups. Self-assessment. Let us check what you have learned. Choose the value of digit 4 in each given number. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number and 9999 is the largest. Two 4-digit numbers can be compared based on the digits at the corresponding places. Numbers can be arranged in the ascending or descending order by comparing the digits at the corresponding places. Numbers smaller than a given number appear before it. Numbers greater than a given number appear after it. Face value of a digit is the digit itself.